Yeah, man. Just sing on. Is it showtime? Three o'clock, baby. Man, what is going on? Boom! Focus up. Focus up. Let's get a board up, man. What are you guys doing? It's tournament day. Biggest stream of the week, folks, as I like to say. Feeling good, man. Had a great open mic last night. Good friends came out. Good music. Claude is 1,000,000% first on Facebook. Truth and Chill first on YouTube. And we're waiting for that first comment on Twitch, baby. Anyone can get it. Sonny Chin. Sonny, how are you doing, Sonny? Guys, if you don't know Sonny, Sonny's a bit of a legend around here. There was probably a good year where every stream, the first thing I would see would say Sonny Chin first. Sometimes they'd mistype the word first. He was typing so fast because he was trying to be first so fast. And he was first. I don't know how he did it. I think he's on the West Coast. I'm in the middle of the country. I don't know if it was on the, I just don't understand it, how he did it. Sonny. I love you, Sonny. I hope your life is well, man. Sonny was in school, man. But I've known Sonny for like 4 years now. I feel like it's been 4 years. You've been around a long time, Sonny. Can I get an exclamation point followage for you, Sonny, on Facebook? That'd be great. Guys, today's tournament day. All levels welcome. You go to chess.com, you go to social, then you go to clubs. And then you search for Chess Chillers. 2 words. You have to spell it right. A lot of times I tell you guys, spell it however you want to. Chess space Chillers. 2 words. Very simple. In the search bar, bang, you'll see us. Join the club. It's free. And then you'll have a green button to join the tournament. It's very simple. It's very simple. I want good participation. I feel like I said that wrong, but I don't know what to change. Good participation. I think I said participation. Participation is I, right? Or is that precipitation? Guys, it's not even raining. I'm already confused. You get into the club. I want good. Oh yeah, I want good participation. I want what's the word? Sportsmanlike conduct, folks. We don't have that problem here. Now with this community, man. Guys, what do we do? Yesterday, I think we're going to do the try and break my puzzle rush record, which I think is 30. I believe it's, say it, 30. Very good. Very good, class. Yeah, not that one. 3 minute, my record is 30. And I did a 28 yesterday with 2 mistakes. Because I used to do puzzles a lot, and that's how I got my 30. Then I stopped. Guys, I had 2 streams in the last week, in the last 7 days, where I did puzzles for the entire stream. They were 2-hour chess streams. Today's going to be a little bit longer, folks. Tournament day. Biggest stream of the week, folks. And I'm telling you, I told you guys, you don't go to the gym one day and say, I have muscles. It takes time. Sometimes you don't even notice it. And then you kind of go to scratch yourself and you go like, huh, I never felt that before. It's slow, guys. If it was easy, everyone would do puzzles one day and they would just beat everybody at chess. That's not how this works. It's not how it works. But Daniel Abbott, how you doing, brother? Love you, man. Good to see you. So I have been noticing in my late night shenanigans, at my 3 a.m. lead chess, if you know what I mean, I'm just seeing more stuff, man. I'm seeing more stuff. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to win today. It doesn't mean blah, whatever, right? It's just, I can tell a difference after about, I guarantee I've done over 6 hours of puzzles in the last 7 days. And we're going to go for a little chow here. We're going to try and beat, and this will get chess on my brain. What do I say, guys? I always say, you need to get chess on your brain. Bang, bang. Why does it say 20? Because I was trying to kill a stinking boss in Dark Souls. And let me tell you something. That's how many attempts it took me, guys. What was his name? I don't remember. We're just going to do 5 attempts, guys. 5 attempts. They're 3 minutes each. It's very exciting. I'm going to clock. The first couple are warm-ups, obviously. Clutch has just been a rough time for me this week. So far, I'm trying to get ready to move. Oh, man, moving is rough. My condo has been okay, but just has too many problems and costing me too much money. Claude, sounds like you're making the hard choices, and you're doing the hard work that will pay off in the long run. Very much like chess puzzles. You are doing the chess puzzle of life right now, Claude. Remember that as you're packing and making trips. This is the hard work to improve the life. And you know that. Claude's a grown man. But still, hey, a little bit of reinforcement from a friend doesn't hurt anyone. In the last year, you have done 14,400 puzzles. Is that insane? Am I certifiably nuts? I want to see, because I'm going to be more in the 400 range. What do you go to profile? You go to, how do you find that, Claude? Stats. I'm smart. Dude. Is this in the last year, though? I've only done 2,464 puzzles, guys. Okay, how much rated training do you have? Oh, that's puzzles. 12 hours. 12 hours is the rated puzzles. Okay. 302 rated puzzles. 2,466 is like the what I'm going to do right now. That sounded just like a New York accent. Go on, stat. Yeah, I found it, brother. I found it. What was a New York accent? Guys, I do stuff and I move. Okay, what's your percentage? Mine's 76-24. And a lot of that is because of these puzzle rushes and stuff. The other puzzles, my stats are much higher on the rated puzzles. Yeah, see, these are my rated puzzles. You see all the green? See all the green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. I miss one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And I miss one. 4 good. I missed 2 in a row, guys. That made me sick. This last one here, I accidentally clicked on puzzles like when the stream was over. And it popped up and it's rated. So I'm like, I was so not happy about it. It was pretty easy, guys. It was pretty easy. It goes like this. I'm like, oh, I'm going to be stuck here for 20 minutes. I'll be literally in puzzle jail. Check. Check. He blocks and then mate this way. That was very, very simple, guys. I saw it in 2 seconds, but I'll tell you that I also, I've been doing a lot of puzzles. You start seeing stuff more. You can use the tough love and advice. Yeah, Claude. All right, Claude, you want some tough love? You asking for some tough love? No bad habits. Or minimize the bad habits, especially during rough times. No bad habits is best. Minimizing bad habits is really good. Like, I remember years ago, I broke up with a girl. I didn't have a drink for, I think it was 3 weeks, 21 days. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. If I suck back a couple, it's gonna make it worse. You know what I mean? People don't get that. They think it's gonna make it better. It makes it worse, man. So it'll keep you focused too. I'm not saying that you have any bad habits. I'm just saying, you want some tough. You mentioned tough love. Just remember, you're doing the hard work right now. Life's gonna get better. Let us do attempt number 1. Wait a minute, folks. Did I just make I didn't make my face smaller, because if I did, jail will not work. There we go. Jail works, guys. We're in puzzle jail just for a few minutes. Guys, join the tournament. It's pinned. Comment all 3 platforms. Kenneth Matthew Borders kicking off the stars for the day. Thank you, dude. Thank you, Kenneth Matthew Borders. I love you, brother. Thank you for the massive amounts of support, man. And thank you for being a moderator on my channel and helping keep our stream safe for chess players. Because, dude, there's some toxicity out there, bro. Okay. The first one is just a warm-up. So, I'm going to try to break my record on the first one. Black to move. Should have been faster. Should have been faster. Check. Huh. That was weird. That was like in-game stuff. Okay, that was not smart. Black to move. Not moving real fast right now, guys. The early ones are the ones you got to knock out. White to make a maneuver. Here. Yeah. It's okay. We're warming up. Okay. Smaller board, faster time. Back her up, folks. Back her up. That was weird. Black to move. Definitely. What? Oh my God, I'm getting them wrong. Okay, stop. Oh, it goes like, here. I remember that one. I got it wrong. Black to make a maneuver. I want to checkmate my opponent here. And then win the rook. Okay. We have... Here, there, and there. Okay. Black to make a maneuver. What's the maneuver? Which probably has something to do with checkmating this king. Got it wrong. 18-3 wrong, guys. We're warming up. That's one attempt. I told you guys, they go quick. Play again. We're going to get out of jail in just a few minutes. I see the mate. It's right here. Wow. Slow. White. Come on. Multiple maneuvers, guys. We have no snipers. It must be this. Okay. It must be... Check. There was a mate I wanted to show you guys. White to maneuver. Okay. Black to maneuver. Wow, that was it? I don't see it. I still don't see it. Okay, was that worth it? Intermezzo. 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 Where's the check? Where's the check? It's a puzzle! Knights move backwards. I love the Knights move backwards puzzle, guys. Where's the check? Just play the check, guys. Is this mate? This is probably the maneuver, but okay, he had no other moves, huh? Light square love. Okay, I call that puzzle light square love, guys. Black to make a maneuver. Do we trade? Okay, there's a queen check. There's no queen check. No, there's no queen check. It's right here. Oh, I'd take the rook. In the Latvian, sometimes that can be worse. White to make a move. His king has very few squares. Black to make a move. 25. Guys, we're warming up, guys. We're warming up. 25, one wrong. There's 2 attempts. Bang. How you guys doing, man? Bill Stevens, dude. Bill, how you doing, man? Dude, open mic was great last night, man. Oh, someone said that's crazy. Ooh, Daniel. Daniel said that's crazy. Me and my girl broke up today. Daniel, no bad habits. Caleb says, not just related. I've received some tough love from Charlie, or in my mind it was. Yeah. Oh, I love you, Caleb. You know I love you, right? Daniel, you know I love you. Daniel, literally, take my advice. Abort all squirrels. Abort all squirrels. They make it way worse. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's a good day. Maybe it's a good thing. Okay, guys. Black to move. Discovered check. Same puzzle we see over and over again. Why didn't it let me do it? Black to move. I'm getting confused now. Okay, get back on it. Look at the king. Okay. Okay, white to move. That was worth it, but man, it took a lot of time. Black to make a maneuver. Black to move. White to make a maneuver. Okay, takes check. Okay. Wow. Dude, knight forks. This has got to be it. Okay. Black. Knight checks are good. Right. And then checkmates. Is that Arabian? What's that mate called, guys? You guys know the mate. Okay. Oh my God, stars. White to move. Let's go with the check. I don't see the other check. Oh, I didn't see the mate, guys. There was a mate there. bang. That was bing, bang, boom, lickety, lickety split, guys. It didn't come on bit by bit. I'm spending all my time talking about songs. This is pinned. Let's take, and then take. Unpinning. 3 words. Black to move. This way. This way. I blundered! I had a check or something. Black to move. There's no check. Oh, we win this way. You got to keep him out of the corner, guys. You can't let him in the corner. He said, "Is draw." Black to make a maneuver. Shoulder time, folks. What? 24. What? How is that not winning? So push. But what if? What if? No. Where's my history? How do I get back? You can go to stats and look at the last puzzle. Was that the last one, though? It's not. Oh, well, I lost it, folks. That's okay. That was another attempt. It wasn't our best. We're going to try and break the world record right now. Our own personal world record, guys. Let's go. Same exact one as last time. Ladder. Wow. Oh, it is mate. I thought he had a square, guys. That was an incredible waste of time. White to make a maneuver. Just take. Okay, he comes. We checkmate. Isn't that pretty? He comes. I don't see it. Oh! I didn't see the other rook, guys. Black to move. It's probably a check. Right here. Okay. Queen comes. How's that wrong? I was mating. What's the problem? Bring the knight, folks. Always bring the amigo knight. Uh-oh. He almost got me, guys. Oh. That was a trick. It was a trick and a half. Play here first. Okay. Take the rook. And it makes me move again? Black to make a move. How's that not right? Oh, because I'm going that way. I thought black was coming this way. Charlie, man, what's up? Casper, how you doing, dude? Good to see you, man. All right, Truth and Chiller is here holding down Twitch for us today. Bilbo Swaggins is here. Good to see you. Switchin' Jug. Castro, multiple platforms. Castro, good to see you, brother. How are you doing today? 85 and sunny in Iowa. Burning. Dude, it's hot in Texas right now. Double oop. Definitely clouds judgment. Not just that. When you're going through hard times in life, it makes everything worse. Thank you for the 50 stars, Adam Engel. That's the stars, guys. They came during the puzzle rush, and then I forgot to read them. Thank you for the stars. That was number 3, right? I got 2 more. Guys, join the tournament. It is pinned on all platforms. Make me take them all there, buddy. I don't see it. It's easy. I don't see it. I had to move on, guys. It was costing me time. Time is precious, right? Come on. I want the Diagonally. Harry Potter approved. The guy blundered. What do you do here? Do this. Endgame studies, folks. That was wrong. Black to move. Don't choke now. I see a king. I see no checks. Oh, I see a piece. Oh, but we take it and we threaten mate. Okay. Probably a check. Okay. Probably a check. I just played the check. I got it wrong. I should have looked at it. I had lots of time, too. I had 42 seconds. This one here was I'm just like, just play the check, you big dummy. No. No. He's on my queen. Where does my queen go? Donate a stock queen. Just take the knight. Take a free knight. Sometimes a squirrel needs a chaser. Castro says, God love it, folks. 3,000 Facebook gaming stars. Castro, thank you. Matt, sir, I'm rated 2200. MW Lays, I'm not taking matches right now. But thank you. Wisdom is knowing tomatoes. Castro, dude. With the big 3,000 takes
Gotta
over
love it, folks.
the entire screen. Okay, guys, one more and we're out of puzzle jail. This is our last attempt. This just get chess in my brain. I'm getting better at Puzzle Rush overall. Takes forever to see every piece, guys. I'm so slow. Oh, it's beautiful. This is kind of cool, too, I would think. Is there a check I need to play? There's got to be it. But then, oh, in here. Okay. It's mate. He has no squares, guys. There's no squares. Black to move. It's got to be the check and the check. We've seen this before. The same idea. Black to make a maneuver. I'm thinking come in here for the money, for the cash. For the cash, folks. White to make a maneuver. Put him in a hole, guys. Put him in a hole. Okay. I don't know what to do here. I just played the check, guys. Just played. Whoa. Remove the defender. Okay. Oh, I bet it was still winning. Don't even look at stuff. I just move the pieces, folks. I don't see it. I was thinking too hard. Black to move. I don't see it. I'm in check. Okay. There's a dorky. All dorkies lead to Rome. 22. Well, there's my 5 attempts, guys. Again, I had 23 seconds. I should look at my... If I want to start getting higher scores, I have to play the game, guys. The game means I'm already on 2. I don't see it. I have 23 seconds. Look a little bit harder. Look a little bit harder. I can check. I can check and add an attacker, guys. Check. Now we just removed one. So now we take, and then after takes, then we can play rook takes. Oh, man. Guys, gotta love it, folks. Castro, thank you, man. You have one more shot. No, that was the 5th attempt. That was the 5th attempt. I count the attempt after. Do I have one more shot? Okay. One more shot, guys. Do I have one more shot? We're going at it one more time, guys. Tournament starts at 28chess.com minutes. We're going to talk about that in a second. One more shot. Beautiful. What? Sorry, I yelled in your ear. Rude. Wow, forever, forever. I don't see it. Oh my God. I had to play the check. White to move. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. I need the check so bad. Right here. They don't give me a lot of knight forks, guys. It can be confusing. Okay. Which one's a check? This one's a check. That one's a check. White to make any type of maneuver possible. Okay. Hit the rook. Or take here. Okay. Trap the bishop. Takes, takes, takes. Okay. He's on my queenster. Was that mating or something? This is a really cool mate. Okay. Not a lot happening here, guys. Oh. That wasn't right. Ran out of time. Amazing. How is it not right, folks? Guys, we're out of puzzle jail. We have been released. We have been released from puzzle jail. Check. King takes. Check. Do I have mate in 1 or something? Check. Oh, he can come here. So what's the move here, guys? What am I missing? Oh, it's rook check. Forcing mate. Bill Stevens says, if you break the record on this shot, I'll send $15. Bill Stevens, thank you, man. Thank you very much. Good to see you, Billy. Casper says, charming. Okay, got that. Thank you, Bill, for the challenge, man, but I didn't get it. I had one more shot. I didn't realize it. I thought I counted it, guys. We're out of puzzle jail. Let us get to the chess.com tournament, folks, and see exactly what's going on there. Play online. That's where I normally like to play. We got, I got to join. Daniel Stamidis is in. Zaharino is in. Zaharino? Is that... Zaharino's 17-14, bro. From Morocco. That's strong. Dude! Get in the tournament, guys. You're going to get to play some good players. We have 1875, 1714, and my humble self at 1680. Guys, get in the tournament. Obama Lover is back. Obama Lover, how you doing, dude? Thank you guys so much for all the amazing support. You guys are absolutely insane. Castro coming in with the huge 3,000 stars. Adam Engel with the 50 stars. Kenneth Matthew Borders with the 20 stars. Facebook Gaming stars are popping today, folks. Appreciate it so much, guys. I want to make coffee. The coffee is ready to go, but I promised I only have 1 cup of coffee, guys. I ran out of the Keurig cups. That's bad. I could order some. I don't know. I don't think there's going to be enough time. Because somebody I know is out and around. And they will be passing by here. But they're probably going to be passing. And I could literally message them and say, bring me Keurig cups. And they're like, all right. The thing is, they're going to be busy for a couple of hours. And it might be mid-tournament. We can't be having distractions. Obama Lover says, I'm not playing. It's 10:30 p.m. for me, and I'm tired. That's okay, Obama Lover. You play next time. Play when you're feeling good. Play when you're feeling good. Daniel is a beast. Daniel's strong, man. Daniel sees all this stuff. I look at puzzles, and I'm like solving it, and then I figure it out, and I look, and he's already typed the answer. It's like I can see a lot of stuff, too. He sees it faster. Do you know what I'm saying? That's why his rating is higher than mine. You know what I mean? And that's what the puzzles are for, guys. Keep smiling. That's what puzzles are for. By the way, perfect pitch on that. Dude, I have got to get a more playable guitar. I sent my Martin in. It was a local guy. He made the action a little bit better. I was happy with what he did. It's still not right. I have a guitar, one of these guitars behind me. It plays so good. Can you get a better shot of this, guys, right here? Yeah, this guitar right here. This guitar plays and sounds amazing. But it's got one of those passive pickups in it. And it's like, even with a direct box, it just doesn't sound good, man. I got to just take it in. So what does it cost for like LR bags? $350, $400 or something? That's like a nice pickup, guys. A nice pickup. It could be, and that guitar plays great. I'm playing guitar last night. I'm not making excuses, but there's just certain things I can't do when I'm up on the neck and I have to push the string down, a quarter of an inch to get a note. It's hard to free flow. It's hard to do what you want to do. And I could bring my J200, I guess. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring the J2 next time, man. The J2 is normally meant for special occasions. Daniel's such a beast. Brandon Johnson tried to join, but not enough games yet. Yeah, you got to play some rapid games. Good morning, brother. Carl, how you doing, man? Dude, Carl Alcazarin has an anniversary follower with a 3 on it. He's been following the page for 3 years. By the way, I love your profile picture, Carl. Carl Jr., by the way. It looks to me like you enjoy the beautiful outdoors. That is either a huge lake. Looks like I see waves breaking. Ocean? Yeah. You live wherever you live in a beautiful place of the world, or you take the time to visit them, right? Yeah, man. Let me show you guys a J2, man. Wait, how much time do we have? We got it, guys. We have to inspect it. We hold on one second. Dude, this guitar is the bomb. And the thing is, thing about it, boy, it's in tune, but it should be. You know why? Quality, guys. The action on this guitar, even up toward the top of the neck, I would probably have this one reset up too. The action is the distance between the string and the neck. Right in here, when you got to push down. The farther you have to push down, some people like higher action for certain things, playing rock and stuff. I like low action. And boy, I love this freaking guitar, man. I don't take this out enough. I don't take it out enough, guys. I got to take this thing out and play it. It's just this guitar. Let me tell you about this guitar, and it's actually this exact guitar. I've always wanted one of these J200s my whole life, guys. It has the signature mustache bridge. Mustache bridge. Elvis, I think, did he have a black one or a white one? You always latch the door on the case, especially on the J2, because someone could go to pick it up and it falls out. Yeah. Bill Stevens says maybe build some hype, do it in a week or so. A Sardo LR bags and setup fundraiser, and all we need is $500 and you get a pickup and a setup. Is it really 500 bones though, man? Yeah, see, I guess I could look into it, right? If you want something, the first step in defeating the monster is identifying the monster. How do we beat this monster? It's the LR Bags monster, guys. That's the acoustic pickup that everyone uses. I'm cool with it. The J2 came with Fishman. I don't really like it too much. It's quality. Fishman Aura or something. I think the pickup is $300 set up for $1.50, man. Pickup is $300 set up for $1.50. I'll tell you, this guitar, the one I was showing you up on the wall that Magic Sam Massey gifted to me, he bought it for himself. He's a guitar dealer. He goes to guitar shows, guys. He's been the buyer and seller at like music stores and stuff. He knows guitars. And he plays blues. He plays Telecasters for his blues. He actually gave me this Telecaster as well for my birthday. I cried. This one right here. He gave me that one for my birthday, guys. I cried. I didn't understand what was happening. I'm like, I thought he was showing it to me. I'm like, man, that's a cool guitar. He bought that acoustic in the end. He bought it for himself. And when the guitar dealer buys a guitar for himself, what's he looking at, folks? Quality. He's obviously looking at a good deal. Guys, we need more players, man. Get in the tournament. Get in the tournament. We can fight it out. Are you guys, don't be those guys that are afraid to play chess. Join tourney here. I know it's pinned, guys, but I got to cram it down your throat because you got to get in the tournament, guys. You got to get in the tournament. Bang. Join tourney here. Join tourney here. You played a blues kazoo. So he bought himself a nice acoustic. He's like, this thing plays good. It sounds good. It's good quality. It's a beautiful guitar. And he bought it for himself. And he's like, Charlie, I don't play it. I don't play it. He said, you play acoustic all the time. I want you to have it. I'm like, okay. Just picked up littles from school. We'll be back later after dark. Caleb, we'll see you after dark, brother. Yeah. We are only 3. I know, man. Ben Hallberg, what's up, dude? I've been enjoying being in contact with Ben Hallberg again. I reached out to him the other day. Ben Hallberg used to buy me black silk coffee, would ship it here, and he was the coffee sponsor of the stream. I used to drink tons of coffee, pots of it. And I was just thinking about him, and I hadn't heard from him for a minute. And so I messaged him, and so we've been going back and forth a little bit in Messenger, and it feels really good. It feels really good. Yeah, you play a blues kazoo. That is great. I would play a blues kazoo, guys. Get in the tournament, man. We have 3 guys. If we only have 3, will it be like a? Oh man, my uncle's calling me, guys. I can't answer it. I can't answer it. I'm live. I'm working. If it's an emergency, he'll text me. Because he's going to voicemail right now. And my voicemail, you know what it says? Do not leave me a voicemail. I will not answer your voicemail. Do not leave me a voicemail. Text me. That's what it says. That's what my voicemail says. And you know what people say? My daughter's wedding is in July, and we want to hire your band, and this is our budget, and we'll send a limo to pick you up, and we'll put you up in a very expensive hotel, and we'll provide the entire back line. You don't have to carry anything but a guitar, and we're going to send you a few $1,000s, for to buy some fancy clothes if you want to. If not, it's okay. And then, like, that's like from 2022. When I look, I'm like, there's a voicemail. I told her to text me, bro. We didn't get the gig. And I'm still not going to check my voicemail. Ben Hallberg, I'll be sending. I made that up, but that kind of stuff. There have been gigs that people, and I'm not looking for gigs right now anyway, so. Ben Hallberg, I'll be sending some soon. No coffee, Ben. I'm not hustling coffee. Ben, technically, you know what I need right now? No. I'm not telling you. I'm not hustling coffee. My coffee maker was so old and dirty, and Courtney got me a Keurig for Christmas, and I love the Keurig. And the coffee maker, I stuck it up, and I don't have room for anything in my house. You know this. I'm like, this coffee maker is earned its weight in gold. It's made 14,000 cups of Ben Hallberg Black Silk. It's dirty. It's old. Just throw it out. You got the Keurig. You don't need it. So I'm Keurig now, man. So yeah. So any coffee needs to be Keurig, but I'm not hustling Keurig. Ben Hallberg says it literally does say that on your voicemail. Ben Hallberg, you know. No, you know me. Ben Hallberg actually is the actual IRL friend, folks. I mean, I've never met him in person. But he's a great moderator, great supporter of the stream. Ben Hallberg's the kind of guy back in the day when I'm having a problem with the stream or something. I want to physically talk to a person, a moderator who understands, right? And sometimes I talk to people. Ben Arnold. Me and Ben Arnold talk sometimes, we used to. Casper says, if I wasn't at work, I would compete today. Got you. Dude, there's no way. Tournament day, 10 minutes. I'm actually really excited because I have one Keurig. You still go live on Facebook. VE, I do. Yeah, I'm live on all 3 platforms right now. Yeah, all 3 platforms. Get a tournament, guys. Get in the tournament. You want to be rated 600 or 400 or 800 and you want to be in this tournament, there is an under 1100 prize. So if you're under 1100 and you join the tournament, if you're the only person that joins, you win the section. I'll make you famous. Better than that, there's under 700 prize, right? Under 700 prize. If you're rated 200, you join the tournament, no one else joins, you win. You win. How do we determine the winners if there's no... Oh, I can shut these off, by the way. How do we determine the winners if there's no tournament, guys? Is a tournament gonna... Guys, we gotta have, I think, at least 4 players. Then we do a round robin and you play 3 games each. We need one... Oh, good. Big Dad. Center. I love it. That's center, right? Guys, center's in. Center's in like Flint. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play games after dark, Elden Ring very often. I play whatever I want, though. Hardcore World of Warcraft. I might play some Call of Duty. I've been watching a lot. I haven't played COD yet. And I am not in the middle of. I'm still at the beginning of my first Dark Souls 3 playthrough, and that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right now. I joined, can win the under 1100 and 700. Castro 730, you would be competing for the under. So there you go, Castro. If you could join, if you could have played today, but you're at work, you might win the under 1100 by default. Yeah. It's okay, we got 4 players. That's all we need. Center, this is a great opportunity for you. This, maybe not like Grandmasters, but this would be like if I got to play a tournament with me and 3 FIDE Masters. Not supposed to win. Gonna try to win. Not supposed to draw. I'm not going to play for a draw. I'm going to play for a win. If it ends up a draw, it's a draw. And then I get to play very strong players. And that's good. That's good. It's also good to play people. Oh, they're coming in, guys. They're coming in. We got Math Core at 965, Big Dad at 417, and JW True Chiller at 348. So now Math Core has the under 1100 locked up, folks. Math Core, as long as you don't get another under 1100, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it because that's the prize you're competing for. Not prize, but award, recognition. Someone's like, "Are there cash prizes?" It's like, "Oh yeah, I got lots of money to just give away, guys. Would you guys rather just do cash prizes?" It's like, no. Back during COVID, people would come in the stream. They'd come in the stream and they'd say, "Do you do giveaways?" And I'm like, "No, not right now. I'm not." And you never hear from them again. Because so many people were live streaming. Mathcore says, "I want to play, but I can't say no win. I want to play, but I can't say no to win by default." Ben Hallberg gifted a supporter on Facebook, guys. 1 month free subscription. Rhodes. I know. What is it? The time, Rhodes? Oh, it's your new job. Yeah. It was funny. People would come in and just say, do you do giveaways?" But you know what? I get it. People trying to win something. They make it their job. Guys, what you do is you hit this happy button right here, guys. Hit that button. We'll tell you more information on how becoming a subscriber or a member on YouTube. If you're there on YouTube, you can click join. You become a member. You get everything I'm talking about here. Or on Twitch, you could subscribe and you could use your Prime, guys. If you guys are like, "Man, I just can't become a supporter," that's cool. But if you have Amazon Prime or you know someone who does, you link it to your Twitch, guys. It's very easy. And then You can get a Twitch Prime sub 1 a month free. And you can use it on me if you want. And then you get access to the supporters only group chess workshops once a month. And you get extra emotes and stickers and for chat and stuff like that. So hit this button on Facebook and see if you got the free sub from Ben. And another thing you can do is click your notification button. If there's a little red dot by your bell, click that on Facebook and it might be like, you just got gifted the sub. You just accept it. It doesn't charge you. It's not recurring. That's a free one. That's a gift. Might want to hold on to that one, folks. How we doing on time? 4 minutes. Oh, everyone's coming in late. I see what you guys are doing. X-Ray Doomsday is here. Buck Wild is in. Dude, this could be a good tournament. Buck, this is a great tournament for you and me, man. For everybody. But Buck and I don't usually have 2 people rated higher than us. So that's a great thing, man. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to the tournament. Guys, 10 minute plus 5. Use your time. Don't blitz it out. Manage your time well, but just because you're lower rated, don't just look at your clock. And if you're on move 14 and you have more time than you started the game with, slow down. Try and make the best moves. Try and beat your opponent. You can. Dude, I've full David and Goliath in chess in slow 4-hour games in tournaments more times than I can count. All you got to do to beat Goliath, all you got to do is fight him. You can't beat Goliath if you don't fight him, guys. You got to show up. Okay, you might have to have a little rock sling and you might have to pull out your rock sling and pluck him in the eye. Hey, Xavier, thank you for the follow, man. Get in the tournament, Xavier. It's pinned. Scroll up, you'll see the link. Go on chess.com. You join chess. You go to social clubs, chess chillers. Is how you search what you search for. Join the club. Join the tournament. 3 minutes. You guys are smart. You guys could do this. Hallberg, thank you for the gifted, man. So freaking appreciative of that. The hype is real. The hype is real, folks. Hey, Cardboy says, I made a bet with my brother. If I get 1,800 by January, he gets me tickets to the World Cup. You're 800 now. What advice would you give me? Cardboy. Okay. By January, it's very possible. It's very possible. Did you just start playing? Oh, you're 800 now. Okay. Puzzles. 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 Start playing the same opening every time. And when your games are done, look at the games and see what you could have done better and try and learn the opening a little better. And play main stuff. Like with the Sicilian, someone plays E4 and you play C5, play a Nadorf every time. You know why? So what's great about it? There's like 20 different Nadorf videos on YouTube. And then just every time you're not doing anything, watch a Nadorf video. Watch it again. You'll start seeing that the 800, 900 players say play E4, you play C5. You start putting all your pieces in the right squares. You learn the ideas and the plans, and they're just like moving pieces. And then you do your tactics, and then you pick up their free pieces. Yeah, guys, tournament starts in 1 chess.com minute. Dude, I'm making my coffee now. I'm too excited, guys. Can I make a cup of coffee in 1 minute, folks, with the Keurig? Breaking news. Charlie Sardo Gaming is going to be exactly like Magnus Carlsen and late for his own tournament. Wait, I got to refresh. I got my game. I got Claude. Okay, Claude, I'm going to make my coffee. You're going to get a little bit of time odds, Claude, okay? A little bit of time odds. Guys, did you see how I licked the spoon, guys? Did you see how I licked the spoon? Because I'm completely... What was that noise? Did you hear it? What was it? So, Cardboy says, thanks to you. And Cardboy, let me tell you one thing that's great about this challenge that you have. If you win, you get your World Cup tickets, which aren't cheap, right? That's kind of cool. You could probably just get it. You could probably just work on weekends and buy your own by January. If you know what I'm saying, save your money, right? You could probably do that. Here's the thing that's great about your challenge. When you're done, even if you fail, you're going to be 1,500. And you're going to have that forever. You're going to get better at chess. So, E4, E5, Bishop 4, Knight F6, we play D4. So, that's a great thing. That's a great thing. And I'll tell you this, man. Hours. I did puzzles for 2 hours yesterday. I don't always, but I did. And within the last week, there was another day I did puzzles for 2 hours. Now, I'm a streamer, okay? But still. That piles up. It's worth it. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 200 Facebook Gaming Stars. Oh, man. This is scary, guys. This is scary. I mean, this is why I play chess. I don't remember the move. There's a lot of moves here, guys. There's bishop takes pawn. There's queen d5. I think it's queen d5. Wow, I don't know. I'll tell you what it's not. It's not bishop e3. It might be queen f3. This is not nowhere near the best move. I think white's winning right now. Crazy as it looks. I've seen games where Shirazi just like, not this exact position, but he just develops a piece and then they take and you just place king f1. It was a little bit different. Different position, but same idea. You just move your king. I can't castle. I'm winning. This threatens the knight and the bishop. So when he plays check, I move over and I'm threatening mate, a knight, and a bishop. See what I'm saying? So I think it's queen d5. Takes, check, and rip. This is pretty good too. Here's the problem with queen d5. Queen d5, queen. Here's the thing. You say, it's checkmate. It's not. He plays king over. Then what? Can't really defend this square. It's attacked 3 times. There's all kinds of stuff with bishop check, king here, knight check, pawn takes, queen takes, rook. I think I can't go into it. I can't go into it. I think we just do this. Just take here. Yeah, Cardboy. So, you know what? If you just give yourself hours. I mean, the best chess players, they studied chess. They work on chess every day, like 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. When Magnus was getting good, they're spending tons of hours on chess. Tons of hours. So if you can commit 2 hours, 4 hours every day from now on, because that's very possible to do, it's a lofty goal. You're not going to just say, okay, I'm going to go practice right now, practice for half an hour, and then, oh, tomorrow I got baseball, oh, tomorrow I got to work, okay, I'm going to practice again. I worked really hard for 45 minutes. Probably, I don't know, maybe still, maybe. But understand that, like, it's not crazy. Are you a young man too, Cardboy? Very curious about your age. It's sounding like if your brother's going to be buying you tickets for the World Cup, I'm thinking that is definitely that you might be a teenager or something. I'm hoping. Because a teenager could do it. If you told me you were 12, even better than if you're 18. Watch Grandmaster games. Watch Grandmaster games and try and do what they do. This probably isn't best. I can't wait to look at this game already. Yeah, bishop is best move, says Bill Stevens. Yeah, I wish you luck, dude. Cardboy, would you keep me posted on that? Like, when you hit 900, come tell me. I'll remember you. I'm rooting for you. I almost want to give you a very simple lesson. And it's not a lesson that's going to make you 1670 like me. It would be like I do in the workshops, where I only give you grandmaster moves. Queen d5 might have been the best move, guys. Queen d5, I think, still might have been the best move. Instead, I'm giving a bishop for a pawn and a knight. I win a pawn, and he can't castle. That's what I won from my opening by knowing it better than him. I think I had much better moves. I did, but look at my clock. Look at my... Oh, he's down too. This is great. Okay, he comes back. We have to take. And now we're playing chess. We have a massively centralized queen. You say, yeah, but the queen is not good because it'll get chased around. By what? The knight f6? Well, there's no knight. But if there was, couldn't come anyway. Now, what do we do here, guys? Speed, D, Gonzalez, developmental. Developmental, guys. We have to develop our pieces. I'm cheating right now because I'm using outside assistance from Grandmaster Yasser Sarawan. No, if you learn it before, it's not cheating. I'm going to develop my pieces effectively. I need to put them on the right squares. We have to remember, he can't castle. That's good. I can castle. That's good. My queen is massively centralized. Massively centralized. For instance, if he played king f7 right now, I could play check and just rip the bishop. You know, the bishop is unprotected. Oh, or you could play check here. Always remember, this bishop's unprotected. Does he need to protect it? I don't know what black's best moves are right here. Brings the queen. Okay. This is going effectively, folks. I'm feeling very effective right now. Knight c3. is a great idea because knight c3 threatens knight d5, hitting the queen and the pawn. You have to go back. Knight c3 keeps plays c6 to keep my knight out. That's great. Your knight wants to go there. I still think I'm doing this because I want to play bishop g5 effectively. Plus, I prepared a castle. Prepare to make a Castello, folks. Abbott and Costello. Thanks for the advice. I'm probably going to do 2 to 6 hours daily during summer. I'll keep you posted on my elo. Cardboy, I wish you the best, man. And you know what? If I wasn't doing this right now, I would ask you for your lead chess or your chess.com, and I would look at one of your games or a couple of them, and I would just tell you grandmaster advice that you're doing wrong in the opening, at the beginning of the game. Because if you're rated 800, you're probably, there are things I could just tell you. We don't have to like look at 50 games and find minor things. They're very big things right now. I call it like the equivalent. Oh man, keeps the knight and the bishop out, but he weakens his kingster. Will you come here? Just developed, guys. Guys, he weakened his queen. His king, I mean. He weakened his king. I could come here. No. I'm feeling okay about this position. Feeling okay about this position, guys. Do we castle short or do we castle long, stir, guys? I'm not asking you. That would be cheating. I'm just saying. Do I castle? Brings the knight. I just played it, guys. This is horrifyingly rich with tactical scenarii. It's a plural word, guys. Look it up. Ask ChatGPT. What's the plural of scenario? It's probably scenarios. Check. King over. Knight here threatens mate. Oh my God, there's so many things like knight here now. If pawn takes, queen check, king comes over, bishop. This is a move too. No, because it gives him a square. Oh my God. Check, king over. I think we're doing very, very well. It is made of swell. Probably just castles. Check. King over. Check. The thing is, check brings the king over. I don't want it to bring the king over. Maybe check and then check. There's a shot here and I don't see it. It might be this. No, like I said, that gives him balloons. Takes. Check. King over. Takes. That's not it. I could reinforce big boy. I have to move, guys. I have to move. I just spent a ton of time. I'm looking at bishop f4 and e6. E6 opens up the king and it hits his square. And I reinforce. I love that, Dave Joyce. Yeah, bishop f4. I found it, Dave Joyce. Do you think it was the best move, though? Is that outside assistance, guys? If I play a move and then I look at chat and a stronger player says bishop f4 and then I played the move the stronger player said, we still have all this. And this is a threat, guys. If pawn takes, we can play knight takes check and we're swarming. We could play a bishop takes and the queen has to move. But if I do this, this is actually really naughty because I'm threatening check and mate. He doesn't have queen f6. That's what's so beautiful because of the knight. Yeah, man. Dude, I'm shutting chat off. I'm minimizing 3 windows right now. Because if I would have looked at chat and saw Dave Joyce or anyone say bishop f4, oh, wow, he does this. Okay. Do I just castle? Do I push this anyway? Knight takes double check. He has to move his king. Yeah. I think I push. And I think I trap the queen. But there's a line. There's a line I just saw I'm not loving. I think I push. Because he could play this. But then takes. Check. He pushes. He pushes. I might have to just castle so I don't lose on time. There's probably a shot here. This was, I think, a really good move, even though knight takes, check. Queen takes, push, hitting the queen. He has a check. I can come back. But then what does it do? I can't lose on time, guys. I cannot lose on time. This game is... I'm dying to look at this game already. I'm dying to look at this game. Sorry, guys. Chat is minimized. I can bring them back up, guys, in a matter of moments. I got scared. Because if I look at chat and I see a move and I'm like, oh, that's a really good move, I can't play it. Play c6. I feel like we take here. I just have to play chess, guys. I just have to play chess. In other words, bring the other rook. That kind of stuff. I have to. There are no good options, guys. No. I mean, dude. This is what the puzzles are for, but I couldn't see anything. I was looking for patterns. I spent a ton of time on those moves. Thank goodness we're still about equal on time. Just bring the pieces, guys. Just bring the pizzas. Bring the pizzas to the pizza party. That'll be fun, they said. And sadly, the fact that I'm 1680 and Claude is playing a great game rated 557, like, you could put me in this position against 500 players, a 500 rated player, and I'm winning at some stupid number, 49 out of 50, 99 out of 100. A ridiculous, stops the check, attacks the square. Just don't let him take my pawn. Don't let him take my pawn, folks. I might have to come here. I don't really want to. This is his only developed piece. And my knight really has no... I mean, okay, wait. He comes here. Oh my god, I have a minute. He already heard the rattlesnake, folks. Here, if he has queen takes pawn, so I can't even do it. I had to move, guys. I had to move. I had no choice. And the reason why the rating difference being 1100 rating difference is I will never lose this game on time. And someone who's rated 500, they're just more at the beginning of their journey. Do you know what I'm saying? This is a great square. Okay, good. Take. Probably not a bad move. Probably not a bad move. Yeah, he lost on time. Good game, Claude. Wow, that had to be the last game. It is. Guys, I take a lot of time with my... Look at this, guys. We had a good turnout today. 11 players. Just, guys, Teriyaki is in, folks. Looks like he got a first round 0-point bye. Ratul made it, too. Dude, this is a great tournament. We got a 22-16, 1875, 17-14, and myself. And this guy's... Where's my game? Oh, there is a game still going on. Okay, guys, grab me that water real quick. What happened? Good, I get to play Daniel right out of the gate. Good. Warmed up. We had a good, crazy tactical game. Dude, my last game against Daniel was so much fun. This guy's a good player, guys. He's got 200 points on me. E4, E5. Here's C4. Knight C6. We play knight F3. Knight C3 might have been more accurate. I don't think it is. No, it's not. We're playing the Italiano is what I think we're going to end up in, guys. It's French. I can bring chat back. No, no chat. Sorry, guys. Okay. We have to play D3, and we are in a bishop opening proper. Italian game, 2 knights, modern bishops opening is the name. That is cheating. Chess.com just gave me information. They told me the name. I think I can do this now. I can also just castle. I know I'm going to castle eventually. just castles. Play this move. We have a pinster because his bishop abandoned the e7 square. It could come back. It does sometimes. Sometimes a grandmaster will do it. I literally want to let... How many rounds, guys? We got full 5 rounds, right? Yep, round 2 of 5. Ooh, did someone just come in? Cardboy Tutorials made it. He's in. He got in late. Cardboy, welcome. Welcome to the tournament, dude. 779. You love to see it. Okay. Back to the game, guys. I'm going to do this for a reason. It has to do with the season. I'm telling him, where you going? You staying active? Or you getting passive? Passive aggressive. He stays active, guys. LG5. I have to move. It feels like a good move, guys. He was ready for that. Does he go? Do we rip? We've played similar positions. I have my fair share of the center. I need to develop my pieces and make a Castello. He plays this move. We develop our pieces. D and C, folks. Well, we already C'd. We got a D. That means develop, guys. It's short. It's a chess term. Learn it. It's not really. I made it up. I make a lot of terms up, guys. If you guys learn everything you learn from here, is this unsafe? Do we break in El Centro? We can't. The knight's kind of in the way. I think I can do this. Or I could develop the queen. This is not a bad square because of the ideas in the posizione. It's French. Bishop takes, king takes, knight check wins my bishop. But it doesn't because it's protected. But it gets better. Bishop takes check, I just play bishop takes. Doesn't do anything. Knight comes, we rip. He goes there. This can take here if it wants to. It will come back here. It will be a transformative scenario, guys. So we move the queen. Or we do this. I like this move a lot. I like this move a lot. There's shots here, guys. There's tactics. He's seen them all. He's a higher rated opponent. He could double my pawns because my knight wants to come this way. So I'm not sure what to do. Right, Dave Joyce? You do not capture this, or at least I don't. The knight's still going to get where it wants to go, guys. It's looking at this square right here. It wants to come here. See, it wanted to come here, to come to E3 and F5. Now it's going to come to E3 and F5. He wants to give me this monster for it. Huh. I'll take with the rook. I will. He attacks. Huh. Unpinning yet. There's still nothing. There could be something. There could be something. I'm going. You can't lose on time, folks. I mean, you can lose on time, but now I'm threatening this and bringing a really strong knight in, and his queen would have to come back here to defend. Can we do this yet? Pawn takes, knight takes, knight takes. Yeah, we can. We can. I think we want this first. G6 is what you need to see to win the game, folks. You need to see it. Dark square bishop over here. Dark squared weaknesses over here. If he plays G6, I probably just play queen up. Eyeballing. Looking at stuff. You know what I'm saying? I think my position is okay. And I think I'm up on time. And I think I'm using my brain and my mind. And I develop my piece. I have to connect my rooks. Look at his rooks. How come his rooks can see each other and mine can't? Abandoning El Centro. If I go, this pawn is weak. He keeps me out. So where do I put the queen, though? Maybe here? Maybe here? His queen's better than mine. His queen's better than mine, guys. Doing it. His queen's better than mine. Not anymore, it's not. Not anymore, it's not. Not on this chessboard. What about your pawn structure? He's going to double your pawns. No, he's not. He's going to open up the file for my rook. Okay. He plays this move. Now we have takes, and nothing. If I come back, he may push. I have bishop takes, knight takes. How about queen takes first? Bishop takes, knight takes, and I win this pawn, and I get 3 pawns, but the queens come off. I gave 3 pawns to the bishop right now, I believe. I believe I could. I believe I could. Can I get 3 pawns for the knight? There's not enough. There's just not enough. That's probably a good move. If I come back, how bad is it? This is on the table. It's on the table if I need to. And I don't want to sack. So... And I don't want to take. So we're coming back. We're coming back, guys. We came back. Come on, guys. I can't look at chat, man. It's a real... Guys, it's a professional tournament. It's a professional chess tournament. Dude, the knight comes eyeballing the square. It's a pretty good move. It's a pretty good move. Do we go now? Nope. It's kind of why I wanted to do this. Here and go now. Do I play a rook first? Or do we go now? My brain! Guys, I brought a piece, man. He takes my bishop. I probably should have saved it. How bad is this? I think the knight coming to f4 was better than taking my bishop that's biting on granite. Okay, it's kind of helping me attack El Centro. True. But now I'm cool. Now I am cool. This is pin, though. If he pushes, I think we take a free pawn. I do. This is going to be a move. That kind of gives up this square, though. We can't contest. There's an open file, guys. What are the rules? Daniel Naroditsky taught us. When there's one open file, you must control it or contest it. Like, oh, guys, he's going to get it. And if I come here, do we break? I had to move, guys. It's in the rules. Sue me. I want El Centro Controlio. What if we take with the knight? We can land a knight on f5. What if we take with the knight? We're attacking this pawn. If he pushes, we come here, takes, it's pinned, so it doesn't work. I think I want to do this. I want the big center, guys. This is going to win us the game later. It's going to win us the game later. When you control El Centro, good things happen. Good things happen, guys. Brings the rook. It's a move. All this is bad now. All this is bad. I want to unpin. But I don't want to unpin. I can hit. I think I have to unpin. I think I have to unpin. I almost want to unpin this way, but that can't be smart. Unpinning. My knight could move, guys. I mean, it could move. It's very, very dangerous, folks. He's looking at all the ways to try and get this in and get rid of this and get the rook in here. It takes too many moves because I have this. He will lose a pawn. That's okay, but I can do this and this. If I need to. Brings the knight. Attacks the pawnster, folks. Knight. And push. He's on this, though. I want to come here because it comes with a threat. Oh, no. He's on this pawn, too. I can't give a pawn up, guys. Play like a grandmaster. I almost dropped the pawn, guys. I almost dropped the whole pawn. This is terrible. I have ideas. Cyberfish, thank you for the like, man. All I can look at is a few. Stephen Craig, thank you for the like. Melissa Anderson, Melissa, thank you for the like. Guys, I'm trying to put... No. He sacks. Wow. Well, he took a piece. Do I have an intermezzo? I don't. Okay. It's a story. If I play king, and he plays knight takes, I could play rook takes. Is this okay? Is this bad? This is one of those things, if it was such a good move, do you think I would have allowed it? Against a 2300 player in a 4-hour game, you can't just play king g2. I know this guy's on the clock, He's rated higher than me, but he's on the clock like all of us. He played a
Good
sack.
luck in the tournament.
Eric Haddon, thank you for the 200 stars, dude. Dude, I'm playing the top seed. No, actually, Disguised Teriyaki Gun in late. So Disguised Teriyaki is the top seed. I think this, I already looked at this. This must be the way. Now he's playing. Yep. Okay. He's on my rook. We definitely take the file. This comes with tempo, but he's just going to play that move anyway. We take the file. This pawn is... You can't attack this stuff. Not right now. And then we got to go bing, bing, bing. We start playing chess on light squares. We come here. He might... Yep. His king is cut off. His king has to play this side of the board. If it wants to come up, it's going to give squares, folks. You want squares? What's the score? 2, 4, 5 to 2, 4... What? To 7? He got 2 pawns for that? Guys, he got 2 pawns for it. This could be bad. It could be made of sad. I got El Centralized Kingo, guys. El Centralized King. Right? Hit it, and then I see something that's going to help me a lot. Something that's going to help me a whole bunch. Technically, it's this move right here. This move, his king now can never come out of this corner. I mean, unless he blocks and sneaks out. Do you know what I'm saying? Which doesn't give us a lot of opportunities to sack back. I think we're playing for a draw. There's no way to play for a win. I can't, because I can't get in. Oh, I can get in. He's going to have 3 to 1, but I'm going to have an active rook. Maybe this isn't smart. Maybe it's not made of Pop-Tart. 1,000,000%. Activate the rook? No, I think we keep his king, guys. I think we keep his king, but here's what he's going to do. He's going to try and make a passer. I think we have to activate. And that gives him this. But, and it wants to come anyway, but you know what? I gotta move. Check. Wins a pawn. It lets his king out, but my rook can attack stuff. Right. Do we check and let him hear? No, we don't. We activate the rookster, guys. Do we put it here? No, we put it here. It's all the same, I think. No, this is a dark square that he can attack. So we're going to stay light square for now. Now he wants to move his bishop and bring his king in. And get stuff. But I have to make a draw by being active. I have to make a draw by being active, guys. Bishop is annoying too. I think I should have kept the king in. And then maybe the rook. But he'd have 2-1 and a bishop supporting. And my rook, while keeping... I have a king, though. I have a king and a rook going this way. Right? At that point, I might be able to sack... No, he wants us because he'd just come in. I think activity is the only way, and then you have to hope. There's a little bit of hope chess going on here, folks. Little bit of hope chess. All my pawns are on light squares, which is good. Not this one, but he can't attack it because my king is here. So he wants to move somewhere. He wants to move and play king up and take this pawn. Goes back. So, should I have gone here? Right? Another idea is here and take this one. It's rough. If I play king up, he can check. I don't know if this runs or not. My rook is behind his pawns, though, so that's good. This is so slow, guys. I gotta move. This was an idea. It was an endgame idea, guys. It's an endgame idea. But I thought okay. Take my pawn. I take with check. I'll take this. That must be a draw. Okay. He's going. I could defend it, though. Yeah, that's probably not a bad move. Take this one, because we need to. Here, maybe make a threat. Okay. The goal here is activity, guys. Activities. If he pushes, we take. Rook takes. Oh, he would have more than one passer, though. Pawns are equal, so now I think I should be playing for a win, but you know what matters a little bit? Position. Here, pawn takes. Takes. I might have a win here, I don't know. Wow. Dude, I freaking choked so bad. I choked so bad. I'm like, I hit that spot where I have to move right now, and then I hesitated. I'm like, do you go for it? I'm like, don't go for it. Just move the rook. And I did move the rook. Daniel, great game, man. Great game. Woo! E4. I'm going to play C5. Buck has been getting reasonable positions against my Latvian. C3. I played his move. Attack the pawn, guys. He plays D3. Just castle. Yeah, he wants to play that move. Okay, it's not blitz anymore, but I still have to move at a reasonable tempo, guys. Tempo. French. Here. It looks at stuff. It looks at stuff. I like to look at stuff. Guys, I haven't had a chance to look at chat. I'm a bad streamer. Am I even still live right now, guys? Moderators, keep an eye on stuff. I can't see chat. Is it against? The Rulios. I have to come back to chat. I just won't look at any moves, guys, because we're not in a spot where we need moves. What is going on with you guys, man? Bill Stevens says good game. Dude, that was a good game. I wonder if that was a win. I got all the stars, right? Daniel Abbott, star. Oh, those stars hype. Eric Hadden, good luck at the term. Okay, good. Yep, cheating. Now you evaluate it more, says Buckwild. Do you do this every Wednesday? Cardboy, yes. Yeah, for years. We've been doing this every Wednesday for 4 years. Everyone, thank you, Josh, for answering him. What'd Buck play? Buck plays. What is Buck? Buck is getting so much better at chess, guys. He's getting so much better at the chess game of chess. He wants to come here. Bring the pieces toward the beginning of the board, guys, toward the El Centro. Yeah, Cardboy, we've been doing this for years, man. We got a great community too. Yep. Look at the reroute, guys. Did we just go? Oh, he has E5 though. I didn't think he had E5, guys. Wow. He has E5. Maybe bring our rook somewhere. This knight, where does he want to go? What does he want to do? Who does he want to see? What's he looking for? This is Grandmaster move, guys. Beyond comprehension. This is like, yeah, I know he's using Stockfish. Who plays Bishop F8? Grandmasters do, all the time. Just open up the rook. Maybe a little rerouting, if we so choose. That's a maneuver, guys. He's going for it. Can we allow? We can. So takes knight takes, knight goes there, E5. You could like do, I play this move now? This is probably a move. Okay, now I'm looking at knight takes. If queen takes, we take the bishop. If knight takes, I could play e5. Where does the knight go? This is really risking it, guys. Oh, Dave George likes 8-6, huh? Just 8-6? Yeah, to keep the bishop off of here. It's a maneuver. I've opened up some stuff. This is going to come. Okay. The e4 pawn could be falling too, with ideas of f7. I mean, f2 maybe, I'm not sure. I'm going to shut chat off now because now it's getting to the point where people are saying moves and e5. Knight f5, I think I played... No, g6 doesn't work. Because knight a6. This is pretty unnecessary. Do you know what I'm saying? Grandmasters would say this. They'd be like, you didn't really have time to really analyze it all the way to a win. And then even... Or all the way to where you're better and then assess the position. I thought it was better. I thought it worked. And I went for it. He just needs one in-between move. He comes to f5. We take. Okay. This pawn. He can play knight takes, queen takes. And then we can rip this. I think we rip it with the bishop. He takes. I think we have to take. Okay. And then we take here. Do we want the knight or do we want the opposite colored bishops? I think we want the knight. I think we want the knight, guys. I think we want the knight. Did I win a pawn? I think I won a pawn. And I'm specifically... I don't mean to be egotistical, but I'm rated 200 points higher than him. He beat me last time we played, maybe the last 2 times. He's coming up, guys. Buck's getting better. If I take with the knight, then he has the opportunity to take, and we have opposite colored bishops. And that can tend to be rather draw-ish. My pieces are killing it. Killing it. Brings the rook. Oh, I almost played this move. Check. Check. He always has knight back. So... Oh, so I guess I have to do this. See, this is a good move he found. He found a good move, guys. I don't have this check. I guess I have to trade queens, which is not bad. His queen's actually looking okay. Wait. Do it this way? Queen takes, bishop takes. Knight takes. Oh, he has knight. No, knight takes. Oh, do the tactics work for him? If here he plays knight. No, I have a defender. I have a defender. He plays knight takes. I play knight takes. He plays queen takes, takes, and he wins a piece. If I play queen back here, I think he wins a piece. He's attacking my queen. Another thing I can do is counterattack his queen. And if queen takes rook, queen takes rook. Nope, because then he takes check. None of that works. I can't counterattack his queen. I think back loses a piece. If I come here, does it lose a piece the same way? It does. So I think it doesn't work. It doesn't work, guys. Is there another way to defend the bishop? Takes, check. I have 2 rooks for the queen, and I'm down on exchange. I have activity. The queen is going to rule the roost, guys. Guys, I think he beat me again, man. Oh, can I do it here? Knight takes. I take the rook. So what if he plays knight takes, I take the rook. So I can play this move. I can play this move. Knight takes, I take here. Knight takes was the only problem. If rook takes, I just take. If rook takes, I take. I have to move, guys. I have to move. I have to move! Dude, this is so rough. Everyone's so good at chess. Look at Buck Wild. He's used 2 minutes on his clock and he's crushing me. Yeah, maybe not crushing. Maybe not crushing. So, oh yeah, the other way didn't work because of... Stop worrying about it. I'm looking at, was this better? Was this okay? Oh no, he had queen takes and then won a piece. Yeah, he had queen takes. No, then this comes back. Huh. So it might just be okay either way. My pieces are still better. His queen is a little bit there, for sure. Put that down in my memoirs, guys. In my 60 memorable games by Charlie Sardo. His queen was there. Interesting. I don't think I get mated. Queen takes. If he attacks, if I do this, he might have at 3. He goes there. Thing is, my rook might want to come here. Which diagonal do I stay on? I feel like they're both good. I think I'm going to have to push the pawn anyway, but that's okay. Right? If I come, he can lock me in. This kind of blocks my... The time is killing me, folks. You know what I'm doing. We're solidified, guys. We're in a solid Afai. Like Shopify. Check out my online store. I don't have one. Yeah. Opposite colored bishops favor what? The attacker. Does that mean we're supposed to attack? I don't know. I think I had a reasonable idea, a reasonable move there I didn't play. It's okay, though. It feels really good. I still feel good about this. My knight is so beautifully placed. And my bishop is doing some worky turkey worky. Good rhyme, gosh. Even with 47 seconds, I come up with the best rhymes. Whoa! He takes. Yeah, cool. Guys, we're bringing and singing, guys. Maybe the knight comes here with massive threats. Just gets out of the check. You love to see it. What Daniel Naroditsky say? When there's one open file, well, there's two. You must control or contest it. And I got it right now. So that'll be good. If he does... Okay, he plays this. Okay. Yeah, he's looking at this. Do I do this now? Do we allow that? Do we go for this now? I think we do. Another move is this, but then he has this. I gotta move. Can't lock me in, folks. It's against the rules. I didn't see this pawn. You gotta improve. Does he give it? It might not be a bad move. I have a passer. I think he should have come here. He can just shove the pawns. Make a draw. I think he can just shove the pawns, guys. He's got 5 minutes. He'll see it. Oopsie. Progresso. Insurance. Does it win? I have 21 seconds. I'll be lucky if I don't blunder this into a loss. Stop thinking like that. I'm going to win. Or I'm going to push my advantage if it's a draw. But his rook needs to be back here. His king needs to be in front. His rook's in the wrong spot. I don't think he has time to get it there, though, guys. He comes back. We push. And then we do this. And we win the game, guys. We just win the game. Oh, if he comes back, yeah, I think we do this first. Definitely don't give that pawn up. Because these 2 pawns drop. Although, maybe. Guys, he's trying to beat me on the clock. Doesn't work. On my pawn! Dave Joyce is at a draw now? My heart, guys. He's putting a pressure on me too on the clock. He's just gonna see it. He just wins a pawn, and then and then it's a draw because we each have 1 pawn. I think I might have played a reasonable endgame there, guys. I know that he kind of made some mistakes, and this is going to be huge learning for him. I'm not counting my chickens. I'm just saying that was probably a draw, and I did everything. I think I did a couple things okay. I think I saw a couple times I could have done something better, but I think he just let me win, or he let me have this chance to win. Oh my God, Buck. I think he has nothing, man. He's gonna find it though. Oh no! He's getting a pawn! Guys, I think I blundered. Stinks. That looks like a draw to me. Plus, he's behind, guys. And he has checks. I just did that on, what's the word? Fumes. I can't believe it. I can't believe what I just did. You know, there could be something after takes. Check here. Yeah. The thing is, I had mate, guys, and I didn't play it. But now, I have a queen. Dude, I had mate and didn't play it. I knew I was threatening mate. I tried to bait him. And he didn't see it. And I didn't play mate. I had checkmate and won. I didn't play it. And then he saw it. I can't believe I could have mated him. Thank God this is winning. Yeah. Guys. Look. When he takes here, that's checkmate. And I didn't play it. I saw it. I threatened it. I played king here. No, when I played the pawn, I'm like, I'm threatening mate. I'm threatening mate. I'm all, oh my God, he's going to win a pawn. I was trying to distract him, guys. But he doesn't listen to chat when we play because that would be cheating. So I do that to try and suck him in, guys. And he took anyway. And I had 22 seconds, and I drank too much coffee. I saw the mate, guys. I was baiting it. I was joking. And then I freaking did this. It's probably still winning. How come I can't? Mate 11. Yeah. Mate in 20. It's torn between rook check and my move. King d3. Oh, rook b1 check here and pawn check. This is better. They're both mate 11 though. e3's mate 11, but I'm threatening mate in 1. And he took it and I didn't see it. Buck. Dude, what a good game, Buck. Thank you so much, man. Buck, you're getting so much better. I mean, your rating is showing it. Guys, who's playing? I'll be right back, guys. This is... Yeah, I have to hit it, guys. I'll be right back. Still can't believe I didn't play the mate in 1, guys. I mean, that's insane. X-Ray Doomsday. E4. No, the tourney's going on, brother. The tourney's going on. Sorry, X-Ray Doomsday. We are in round 4 of 5. Daniel is winning with 3 out of 3. Disguised Teriyaki has 0 out of 3, so he's obviously not playing. He joined. It's just... What's he doing? E4, C5, Knight F3. Yeah. True. Jay, did you play terribly? I had mate in 1. Jared Haney, I threatened mate in 1. I played D6. Buckwild, what did you mean by that? Yep, cheating, now you evaluate it more. E4, C5, Knight F3, D5. The reason why I think it can't be good is I think we just take and develop a knight. Right? It's like a center counter with C5. So we come here, just develop, comes with tempo. Now I'm gonna play a check. Well, in this position, I'll have 2 pieces developed. He has a queen kind of out. I might be able to chase it around. Haney, I had mate in 1. I threatened it. Oh, man. Don Bello with the like. Ryan Rogers, Chris McGuigan, Michael Latella. Michael, how you doing? Jason Roberts, Nicholas Cusimano Fright. Love the name. The Cusimanos are coming over. Cyberfish, Stephen Craig, Melissa Anderson, Mika, Pierre. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps stream. Brings it back. Do we play bishop check? No. We play the aggressive maneuver. Preparing castling. Well, I just lost in 10 moves. Who'd you play, Buck? How'd you lose in 10 moves? You just played a freaking nightmare of a strong game against me, Buck. Buck, when you said, yup, cheating, now you evaluate it more, what does that mean? Daniel's a good player, man. Okay, he plays this move. That's standard maneuver. Just castles. Castling's too important, guys. Just castles. Did you drop a piece or something, Buck? Center said, wow, it booted me and gave me a 0 point buy. WTF, I was on the site. Sometimes it... Dude, these might not have been the optimum moves. I think I need to play D4 earlier, I guess, and just play it like a Sicilian. Activate the rook. Looks like only 2 games going on. There are only 2 games going on. Daniel and Buck were a 3rd game they played. And then Center said he got kicked. That was Big Dad. I don't know what happened, man. Like, you should be able to leave and come back and then just like go you should get your game. Disguised Teriyaki, all these guys didn't play games. The 1685 went 1 and 2 and then dropped out, I guess. Okay. Now we're just playing normal chess? Really? Don't lose on time. I got a free move and I just made luft. Not luft. I just made a move to save my bishop that I think is supposed to come back to D3 anyway. Center says, well, I won 1. You won your first game, Center? Yeah, that's a move. Extreme Doomsday is playing actually not bad. I thought the moves I was playing were naturally good because I felt like it was playing less than perfection. And white might be clearly better here, but I don't feel like I ain't calling the papers, folks. I'm not submitting the game to Jack Peters, if you know what I mean. Do you guys know who Jack Peters is? Well, you finished tournament 1 and 5, but you only played one game, right? You said you played one game? So you just been watching my games the whole time? I'm so sorry. You might be able to ask ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you did. Takes right. Just don't lose on time. Don't drop any pieces. We should be okay. You played 4 games, got booted. Oh, okay. Yeah. In the tournament, you finished 1 and 5, but in games played today, you finished 1 and 4, right? Dave Joyce says, yeah, any slight problem with inactivity detected by servers at chess.com, they detect you as inactive. Wish it was better. Yeah, it's like, I think if you just leave it, if you just sit there for like a minute or 2 and do nothing, you're like, I'm waiting for the tournament to start. Once you're in the tournament, they should be like, does this person have a counter on their screen, even if it says tournament starts in 20 minutes? If you're sitting there waiting and then it says, oh, you were inactive. No, I wasn't. I was waiting for the tournament. Oh. The horrification is simple, guys. I have no idea what to do. I have some ideas. Guys. There may be some removing and lifting. Do you even lift, bro? Plays this move. Threatening. Shove. I can do this to stop it. It's 5 rounds. 5 rounds. This is round 4 of 5. Oh yeah, so center. This is not the last round. This is center. The tournament's still going on. I would try like restarting my app and come in and go social clubs, chess chillers. You're probably still in a tournament, dude. It shows me like you're still in a tournament because you have a number by your name. Zaharino and Mathcore, they don't have numbers by their names. Let me see if I can show you. Hello. All these names have numbers by their names, and the two at the bottom have little dashes where their names would go. And that's because I think they're out of the tournament. Brings the night back. Challenging. So just improve? Improve? G5 bing bing. I could come here still. So improve? No, G5 I take. That does pin my knight though. Not really, but kind of. What's better? I shouldn't be down on time. I shouldn't be down on time, guys. My computer says, can I copy and paste it? It says round 4 of 5. Is it wrong? Maybe it's... Oh, it says next round starting soon, too, though. I want to open up another window, but I don't want to get logged out. You know what I'm saying? It does, guys. It says standard round 4 of 5, 12 players, next round starting soon. I mean, maybe it's saying that... Oh, he's playing great. I think I should have more of an advantage than I have. And I very often will completely screw the position up trying to push. So I'm trying to play good moves and then maybe just slowly get a little better position. Even though he's rated 800 points lower than me. Right? He comes here. Oh, he's threatening queen takes knight. He's threatening queen takes knight. He maneuvered the knight from the D5 square to a little square we like to call, I mean D4 square to the B4 square. How did you lose in 10 moves, Buck? Did you drop a piece or something? What do you do? Brings the queen. Wow. That loses. I don't like the queen there, folks. I don't like him. I don't like him one bit. If you place queen g4, do we give him a hook? You got mated. Oh, man. Daniel says, by the way, I was losing in our game. I believe in the end game, was the pawn push the right move? Gave the hook, folks. We're fixing to play this move here in a minute. Or this move. Removing and making the lifter, guys. We got to use the lifter. The lifter. Okay, 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 okay. think... We do this? Or do we just improve the knight again? Or do we improve this way? You know what I like about this? You know what I like about this? Probably not the best move. But this knight is too much on this square or this square, and I kind of want to play this. Everything's kind of holding over here. It feels okay. Dang, you can't push. We can still improve this way and come this way with the rook, maybe. We could have ideas. Thank God we're about the same at time. You had 90.3% accuracy and played like 2400. Dude! That's what I'm trying to do. I almost dropped the pawn. I almost dropped the one pawn. If I'm remembering that game. No, maybe that was Buck. Because I was in an endgame with Buck too. But did I have... Well, yeah. Dude, these games. I want to look at my first game so bad. Takes... Now, this could be an idea. No. Just rip. Just rip. Rip, stir. I saw it. Oh, this could be better. Yeah, get in there now. Get in there now. Oh, wait. I could take with... Oh, no, the queen is here. Hit the queen while the rook is under attack. Could be a little bit shady, guys. Could be just a tad bit shady. Shady Frady, guys. Now when this knight comes back, we can rip and lead with massively horrible pawns. This rook's coming. We got the blockade. You know, I'll have to come back. Bing. We got the blockade. We got the pin. I think we're going to be okay. What do you do? He brings the queen back. Interesting. Where's the fork? It's right here. How do we get to it? Oh, I forgot the horse passant. Oh, I didn't have horse passant. You guys don't know this move. The horse would have been on e5. If it looks like this, when he plays f5, I could play horse passant. It means while trotting. Yeah. Duma says recovering from surgery, bedridden, fell asleep while TV was on autoplay, landed on this stream. It's super chill. I don't even know how to play chess, but you seem like you're in your element. God bless. Duma Jade Feltzer. Thank you for the kind words. Welcome to the stream. Hit the sub button. Oh, but it's on TV. It's YouTube. Yeah, absolutely love the fact. Now, I could take Amessa's pawns up, or I could bring another piece. But no, then takes, and we're still... I think this wins. Yeah, what a great game he's playing, though. He has horrible pawns now. His pieces aren't developed. And I'm crashing through. I don't know, I felt was good, but analysis didn't like it. Brings the rook. I think it's time to cash, guys. It's a center pawn. It's a centrally located pawn. We're trading down into a much better endgame. Up a pawn. Up on the clock. And, whoa! He did! He subscribed! Got you, man. We got him. We played gaming, too, at night. I don't know if you're in a game. Now, I could rip. I think we rip, guys. Another move is to come here. He can't defend everything and keep the file. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this because it threatens to trade down, and it also threatens more stuff, and it dominates the file. If I played rook, I get a rook. I mean, I get a pawn, but he gets a file, and I don't think I need to... Oh, and then he blundered. Dude, you played so good, man. You played so good. Yeah, and what happens, Dave Joyce, when lower-rated players get low on time, they make blunders, man. Dude, that was such a good game, X-Ray Doomsday. You played very well. Brings the king. I guess we take here. And then we come in for the killing blow, the mocking blow, or killing blow. Chess chillers are the most abiding vibes in the universe. And hey, Duma, if you've ever had any interest in playing chess, good game. Good game, dude. We got Ratul versus Claude. I'm going to grab some water. Be right back. Guys, it's supposed to be really hot right now. And I don't know how hot it is, but I think they were saying today is the heat advisory day. Red flag. I'm in Central Texas. 105 or something. I don't think it's very humid, but see, I'm in here and I'm very cool. I've got these things set for 70. They're staying way ahead of it. Ooh. Oh, what are the moves? Queen takes. He didn't see it. Queen's move sideways, folks. Now you have to take. King takes, and then you got to take the 7th. He didn't take it! Claude! King takes. King takes. You just take. It was a knight. It was a knight. Hard G. Knight. Like woke up in the stream is what greeted me. That's great. I've actually never played chess before. I grew up only child, kind of reclusive, so I haven't really played any board games. Makes sense, Duma. That's why I mentioned that. I just kind of autoplay scrolled on this while I slept. Cool. Like woke up in the stream is what greeted me. You know what? Sometimes the algorithm works. The algorithms and stuff. You know, maybe you don't watch like a whole bunch of, violent Jerry Springer type drama. And the algorithm, can I say the right word? Is like, this guy's pretty chill, dude. This guy's pretty cool. We have a pretty cool community here, man. We have a pretty cool. You always take the center pawn if you can. Yeah, take that now. Take this later. Plus it comes with a threat. Claude was playing chess, guys. Claude, you played really good. Claude got low on time. So yeah, man, if you have any interest in chess, just get involved, man. As a matter of fact, can I get on Facebook? My bot is on. Let me see if I can do links. links. Because I will give you the world famous Charlie Sardo GamingChess.com affiliate link. What does that mean? It means you get to sign up to chess.com for free like everyone else does. But if in the future you ever do decide to upgrade, spend a few bucks, at zero cost to you, chess.com gives me a percentage of their profit. And it's a great way to support the stream. You must check the game I played with Buck. We couldn't stop laughing. He just... How do you even threaten mate on move 10 in a normal game of chess? Come on. Spot, you annoyer. Keywords. Links. Oh, I'm not going to be able to do all that on... I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. You know why? Because I'm going to come here for 1 second. Wait, do I do it like this? I think I do. Guys, we'll get back to the game in 1 second. I have to pull a link off of a thing. Oh, I'll tell you guys something funny, too. Something kind of... It's kind of interesting. Okay, there we go. Bing. Put that there. Here we go. Copy that. I'm going to save that. Oh, wait. File, save. There we go. Dude, a long time ago, where do I come back to? I need my chessboard back, and then we come back to the game. Dude, I'll tell you guys a kind of a crazy story, okay? And that is, if you guys remember... There we go. Sign up to chess.com here with my free affiliate link. If you choose to make a purchase in the future, I will get a commission at no cost to you. That's a great way to support the stream. Because it's free. Just sign up to chess.com. And then if you win the lottery and you're like, hey man, I want to get the $30 bronze package. I want to get the $99 a year diamond package, which is what I get. And have unlimited everything 24 hours a day. There's lessons. They'll teach you how to move the pieces. They'll give you very beginning lessons. What's great about you, Duma, is you haven't played chess before. If you have any interest in it, you start by learning how to move the pieces from a professional teacher. It's very short video, probably 2 minutes long. Then there's like my first chess lesson from a professional chess teacher and player. And it's very, very quick. It's quick. It's accurate. And you can get a good foundation. A lot of people start playing chess and they figure out ways to beat their brother. And they're creating bad habits. And then when they want to get better, they have to unlearn the bad habits. You would almost rather start with someone who's never played before. And they say that in a lot of sports. Golfing, pool playing. It's like, give me someone who's never played before. And I can make them a champion, but I can't. A guy that plays good, it's gonna. You spend all your time unlearning. You know what I mean? Yeah. Did a moderator just? What was that? Did you guys have to do something on Facebook? Well, I'm going to give Twitch this too because it's absolutely amazing. There you go. Sign up to chess.com there, guys. Get involved. And you know what? Even Facebook. This game is dragging on. You need... There you go. There's a way... Here's the thing you got to know. You can't checkmate somebody with a queen. Yeah. You can do things like cut all these squares off with a pawn. Oh, he's getting him now, though, because he's got a rook involved. See, now the king can't run again. So he has to come here, and then you have moves like this, which is a check, so you know it's not stalemate. Forcing him in the corner, then you can start checking. Yeah. You know, just now you can play here. He plays that one. It works. Yeah, now you can play this check. As long as it's check, it's not stalemate. You play check, and then he's forced. He plays that way, but now he gets to come up. Yeah. Now in your goal, Claude is making him work for it. He's running toward El Centro, guys. Uh-oh. The ladder has been created, guys. The ladder! The previous and the ladder. Oh, it's politics? Oh, man. I was thinking about doing a prison break, guys. What do you guys think? Mods are like, not a good idea. What if I went on Facebook into my settings and I unbanned everyone who's ever been banned? Mods be like, well, that'd be kind of fun. We'd get to ban more people. Was it the same guy who came in Facebook that you guys had to deal with on YouTube? I don't remember. Was that guy doing was he politicking? This says round 4 of 5. This is a last round center. You might have a game, brother. Similar. We got Ratul. Ratul, play well, man. Play well. E4, E5. I'm going to take this. I am live, just so you know. How you doing? Yeah, it's tournament day. Biggest stream of the week, folks. They might be able to hear you, just so you know. Yeah, no. What were you going to stop by or something? To talk. I love you, sweets. We're on the last game. If you weren't going to stop by, though, right? You just wanted to talk. No, you don't need to. Okay, if you were, I was going to say come, but it's okay. Okay, I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye. No one special, folks. Last guy was talking about previous world leader. Oh, yeah. No, that might be the same guy. That guy was talking about it. I think I banned him myself. Yeah, the previous world leader guy. I mean, it's a historical figure. You know that the name. It's kind of like Voldemort, but sometimes you got to say Voldemort when you're talking about Voldemort. I don't want to get into trouble, guys. Why am I playing for advantage? I'm playing against a good player. Oh, place the bishop c4 is so annoying. Did we play this game yesterday, Ratul? Guys, I'm telling you, I played a game. You guys remember? Very similar. Okay. Do we do this now, brown cow? Probably not best. Because I already played d6. It wastes a move. They never come in talking about cool people like type Buddy Guy or David Lee Roth. Yeah, right. It's just... Yeah, we talked about it last night, right? Because someone else came in saying just like... They weren't even like filthy, rotten words you can't repeat. Like they weren't bad words. They're just like, you know, poo. He was saying stuff like that. Gross stuff. And I just banned him. I'm like, he's 13 or 14. I asked ChatGPT. They're like, nah, he's more like 11 or 12. I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah. That guy, he gets a reaction, makes him feel good. He'll grow up. It's like, they deleted my comments and banned me. Yeah. Win for you. Win for you, brother. I've got myself into too much trouble already, I think. Just move. Make it move. Similar to the Twitch guy yesterday, just saying things. Yeah. You got him, Jay. Did you get him? I was slow on the Twitch trigger, so started quick draw band sling like a leveled up rock sling. Dude, I band slinged him with the meteorite staff. Ground loot. No less. Oh, I think he made it easy for me. He didn't have to do that, guys. Bishop G5, I think, was crushing. Wow. Okay, now I want a castle. So I'm in a castle. I got lucky. Okay, Duma said, I'm going to go probably say hello to all my friends and things. Please have a wonderful day. Yeah, Duma, I wish you a quick recovery, whatever you're in the hospital for. Hope you're, I wish you as much comfort as you can have, and I wish you a quick recovery. I was talking about a current world leader. Who do they never come in talking about their favorite celebrity chef? Exactly. He said, I'm going to probably go. Oh, yeah, right. I have too much energy and ADHD to play this kind of thing. Watching it happen is awesome, though. Cool, Duma. Cool. Very cool, man. He said he woke up in the hospital, guys. Eric Haddon with the 200 stars. Dave Joyce with the 200 stars. Castro with the 3,000 stars. Adam Engel with the 50 stars. What are you guys even doing over here on Facebook, man? Dominating. Ben Hallberg gift sub and Kenneth Matthew Borders with the 20. Facebook is dominating the love tonight. Okay, it's a move. Get my pawn back. Bishop G5 was so much better, Ratul. Earlier. I was just like, he's going to play Bishop G5. I didn't have time for A6 because Bishop attacks my queen. So I got to take with a pawn. Which is not the end of the world. But then this pawn was hanging. But I'd be on the bishop with A6. But if takes, it solves it. And if the bishop moves back, I could play B5. Bishop B3 here. Then you want to start playing for C4. I don't know. I just think I have an unfair share of the center. I have the bishop pair. I think I'm okay. I'm actually a little bit cold right now. I'm afraid to shut the AC off. What am I going to eat, guys? Am I really going to be a streamer and make ramen, or do I just run to the store? What do I need? I need coffee. He plays this move. Just making a move, guys. Which way do we unpin? Oh, yeah, this is always a good move. Activating the Amigo's rook. It's a great idea to activate your Amigo rook. 100 degrees deep in the heart of Texas, yeah. How did you do, Charlie? It's not over yet, Dave. I'm telling you, that was 4th round. This is the last round. Yeah, you might have been able to get back in for the last round. I mentioned it right away. I'm like, Dave, check and see if you have... I think you missed it. X-Ray Doomsday played an amazing game against me last round. And I got him in the end. Buck Wild played a good game against me, and I think I got him in the end, right? Do I have 3 out of 4? Yeah. And I lost to Daniel Stamidis where I was winning, but that doesn't mean anything. I mean, it's better. Like, I've been playing Hikaru before, and I was winning. That's rare. Like you'd think, like, you could never have a winning position against Hikaru. I want to go this way, but then, yeah, so we just come here. It's okay. So the point is, I did have a good position at one point, and then I squandered it away. Trophies you have to be designated by the all-knowing Fedora. That's right. Yeah, chess.com just gives us a guide on who wins based on trophies and standings. But until Dave Joyce approves, I have like some... Do I have an egg? It's kind of a bummer. I have an egg, but it's like that one egg that had surface kind of cracks on it. If I just see one little outside line and I just got the eggs, I'll use it. Try and use it first. There's more. You played against a higher player, but that's learning experience. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's why you should love this tournament for that reason. If you play a tournament on chess.com, let's say you're rated 600 and you join a under 800 tournament, you never get to play a 15, 16, 1300, 1800 player. Is there a bishop on h3 here? Bishop on h3 is a pawn on h3. 5-round tournament today. I think it's been a few weeks. I know we've been getting like less 7 players and they make it 4 rounds. The power of Stream Rock compels you, folks. Absolutely, it does. I think Ratul might be AFK, guys. So I want to use the egg, but I'm not going to use the egg. Takes. This is probably perfectly safe. And I'm doing it. You're like, why would you do that? No reason. Look at the center. Look at the center, not the Dave center, but the center of the board, guys. I occupy 2 squares of the center, and I control the other 2 squares. With pawns. Ratul doesn't have any pawns in the center, and he controls 1 square with his pawn. That is just... Is it a winning advantage? No. It can be. Depends on the position. Sorry, my keeper messed up. Is there a sack on h3? Oh, a sack. I mean, eventually there could be. h3 is there. I'm doubled up on it, but if takes, pawn takes, queen takes, now that the file's open, there could be some malarkey. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of, I don't want to tip my hand to Ratul, but I could have played rook takes and brought the rook over with about the same idea, but you know, he can unpin, right? But I have moves. So it's like, I think he's going to be in trouble. That actually, rook up probably may have been better, but you know what this does? It reinforces this, because anytime he played rook over, this pawn was going to be a problem. And I'd have to like bring this rook over, which actually might be fine. You know what I mean? It's like I came here, he answered me. If I move it again, this rook still's not doing anything. Now it's here. Okay, brings the knight back. Okay, he wants to bring defenders. If I take, queen takes. Do I push and get rid of the defender? No, he can move. Can I trap it? No. Just continue your plan. Start bringing pieces. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if that might have been the sack. That might have been the sack. What I'm considering stuff here, like here, I'm considering this move. But I think you do this first. Takes, queen takes. It's a long way to Tipperary. All the squares are covered. Do I give the bishop though? I don't think I do because of the... I don't give the bishop. I don't give the bishop specifically because of the hook. You know what I mean? Then I'm going to do this. Maybe even bring it up a notch. Bring another rook. Okay, he goes there. I'm just going to do this. Or wait. I said I wanted to do it. Just do it. Brings the king. This could be a really good move. See, this pawn's weak, though. I think I put it here. No, it could be attacked. Here, it could be attacked this way. Then I win. So we do this. Just put the pressure on him, folks. Ugh. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring and Dark Souls games after dark and also whatever else I want to play. So I don't want to hear it if you follow my page and you see me playing Call of Duty, guys. But sometimes I will. Now I think I can do this. Oh, it doesn't quite work, though. Does rook takes work here? King takes, bishop check. He can't get away. It might work. Rook takes, king takes, bishop check. I could go there and threaten the mate and get the knight. And he's really gutted, guys. I might sack a rook. Do we do it? I'm saving this, Dave Joyce. I'm saving this for the rainy day after, so he can't do anything. I understand it attacks the knight. I get it. I could win a piece, but now this. And see, e4 check. If he could play the knight back, right? Oh yeah, then I get this. E4 check is probably pretty good, but I'm going to sack the rook. I'm going to give Ratul a chance. Here. The other queen comes. Oh, this knight. Yeah, well. I can do this. He does that. Wow. Now I'm playing this 1,000,000%. 1,000,000 percentile. Wait. If I come here, I threaten mate. Queen here threatens mate. And I can take this threatening a discovered check, right? Pushing check. He pretty much has to come here. And then I think I threaten mate. I think I threaten mate. If he plays rook over, I take with all the threats. Or wait. Check. He goes back. What, I take a piece, develop his queen? No. Yeah, now that I've sacked. We keep it in our back pocket, folks. We keep it in our back pocket. We're threatening checkmate. He plays the rook over. We rip. He plays the knight back. I didn't see that. Knights move backwards. Well, I might have blown it, folks. Bring a piece. Push here. I might have blown it, guys. Bring the last piece. Or push. Push, pawn takes, pawn takes. Pawn takes, pawn takes. If the knight moves, is there something there? Oh, yeah, if the knight moves, I can play the maneuver. I think I push. Where does the knight go? To d4, which is a really good square. Then I make my threat. I'm going. I'm going in, guys. Shutting off chat. All chat. I'm not gonna let. He brings the rook. He's low on time, guys. I got him, guys. Dude, the rook sack could not have been good, but you know what? It was speculative, and it was sexy. And that is the way I've been described my whole life. Speculative and sexy. That was the last game. Daniel Stamidis wins 5 out of 5. I went 4 out of 5. Ratul gets 3rd place. Buck with 3 out of 5. X-Ray Doomsday, 2 out of 5. Claude with 1 out of 5. Claude, you had a great game going against, I think it was Ratul. I'm sure you had some good games. JD with True Chiller, 1 out of 5. Disguised Teriyaki, 0 out of 5. Did anyone play Disguised Teriyaki? Card Boys, our new guy from YouTube. Welcome, welcome. Okay. So first place, Daniel Stamidis. And where's the... How come I can't... There it is. There's the trophies, folks. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna copy it. I know I don't always post it, but here we go. First place, Daniel Stamidis with a perfect 5 out of 5. Congratulations, Daniel. You play great. I had 4 out of 5, and Ratul had 3 out of 5. That's the open section. Now let me see if I can do this without messing it up. Well, first off, we're gonna screenshot it for posterity, guys. Posterity. The highest scoring person under 1100 is X-Ray Doomsday. Congratulations with 2 out of 5. And it's real easy to see after that. The winner in the under 700 is Claude. Dino Self 6'2". And there were plenty of under 700s, man. And Claude, you did great. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh my goodness. The games today were crazy. Thing is, I haven't eaten. I kind of want to look at the games, but if I look at them now, it's going to be oh yeah, we got to look at the rooks. Well, it was fun, Goblin, but I don't know if it was good. We're gonna look at the rucksack because I am gonna say it probably wasn't sound. But my game against Daniel was a much higher level game. Yeah, it was not sound. It was not sound. He was winning at some point. Look at the squiggler and you're gonna see. Clifford the Big Red Arrow tells all, folks. And he says White had a slight advantage in the opening because I was playing trash. And then slowly I gained a winning advantage. And then I blundered it away, probably with the rucksack. Then he played a bad defensive move. I was winning. And then I didn't play the right move. And it came back and he was winning. And then womp, womp, womp. It was over and I won. So now that we've seen that, Ratul, you play great, man. You're doing so much. You guys are all just gaining. You're gaining ground, guys. Let's see what these numbers say, folks. Guys, way to keep your eyes open. Grabbing that free piece saved you from a worse position. He had 54.8% accuracy. I had 62.6. Ratul played 1 great blue move. I played 0. He played 3 best moves. I played 9 best moves. Guys, I'm rated a few hundred points higher than him for sure. He played like a 750. I played like a 1,000. Yet it claims I played like a 2,400 in the Daniel Stamidis game. How is that? You go from 2,400 to 1,000. Oh, I had 3 misses, and we each blundered once. The blunder's probably the rucksack. The blunder's the rucksack. Let's go through this real quick. That's not a good move. This is me. I don't need to see the best move. I just know that I want to play F5, so I'm going to. Okay. Yeah, not playing that. Next. I should have took the pawn. I don't take the pawn, guys. I leave the pawn. If he wants to start doing stuff, he can do stuff, guys. But I'll take the pawn when I want to develop my bishop. Now, sometimes you got to take the pawn. I don't always take the pawn. I should have took the pawn back. It was good as my guess. We're going to see, man. We're going to see, but not the follow-up. Did I have better? That was good. That's no good. Here's what I was talking about, guys. Bishop G5 is by far the best move, and White is +1 because I don't think I can save this pawn. Because if I do this, A6, which is the best move, Bishop A6 I thought was better, but here, D4, Knight E4, takes. Castles. Okay, Bishop E6. You were winning a pawn in a lot of different lines there, Ratul. And when you took, you reinforced the pawn. You gave the bishop up for the knight for no reason. No reason. This is exactly what Gotham Chess said. This pawn is protected. If you were gonna if you play bishop takes and knight takes pawn, and you can win the pawn, but my bishop protected it. If you could win the pawn, then there's a reason why you're taking. If it's just to double your opponent's pawns, yeah, it gives me an open file. It reinforces my center. And you're not attacking these pawns anytime soon. In an endgame, Magnus would be like, ooh, look at those pawns. I'll move 60, I might win one. Right? It's not enough to give up the bishop. Plus, you relieve the pressure, and it lost focus of the pawn that you were winning. Hey, I finally took the pawn. That was inaccuracy. It wanted queen e8. Guys, you saw me hovering. I wanted to play this so bad. But queen e8, I didn't want this. It's thinking. Rook e1. You just give the pawn. Oh, because if he plays knight takes, I take the bishop. And if he takes here, I take with a pawn. Oh, no, I threaten mate. Okay, so it had such a nice... What about this? Then I take this. Wow. Okay, so queen e8. I didn't consider how many threats this was going to have. Yeah. Queen e7 is best. Now it's best. Crazy. Takes. That's an inaccuracy. It wants to take with the rook, guys. Take with the rook. You still get... Yeah, rook e8. That's what I would have done. d4. e4. Knight e5. Bishop takes, and rook over. Rook g6. And we're attacking. We are attacking. Here, I can't push. I can. Wow. It's crushing. That was his best move. The attack is too strong. He's having to give up wood. That's how bad it was. Queen takes. Yep. g3. Or knight g3. Knight g3. Rook takes. Queen takes it. No, I'm just kidding. And it wants me to move. Okay. Very, very interesting. But I took with the pawn to open the file. I don't know why. Because I want to attack. King h8 is best. Because Dude. I thought give it for time, but it's like I wanted the bishop. I wanted the bishop then. Literally, it says its best move. Oh, knight h2. Literally giving me this. Like there's no good way to stop it. He can't just play king over. You know what the best move is here? Goblin Share, you know what the best move is here on king over? If I would have let him... This is the line. I considered this move. But I'm like, I don't want to give him that. Because I want to sack that here. But if he plays this move, you know what the best move is? Sack the rook. Knights can be great defenders, but they don't always cover the squares you want them to. Isn't that funny? Same idea. So maybe my sack was good, guys. I come back. That was good. That's best. King over. That's a miss. Oh, it wants queen g7. Oh, because we're going to push and then take. Ah. Queen g7, king h1. f5 is another thing. You got to know which pawn to push, man. f5 is good. I can kick. Now I'm threatening mate. Just threatening to win a piece. Rook g1. f4 still kicking. Knight e2 and bishop takes, I'm sure. Nope. e4 kicking. Oh my god. de4, de4, knight h2. It wants queen e5. You know what? It's actually looking at taking this pawn. That is crazy. Who does that? Okay. So, when I sacked my rook, I sacked it right here. e4 check was better, and that's what Dave Joyce was saying. Bishop h3 is better. Okay, it's minus 3.6 right now. Okay? I'm ahead by 3.6 points. When I do this, it's plus 0.86. The sack was bad. The sack was no good, Goblin. You look at Queen G7 here. Yeah, Queen G7. But when he does this, E4 check. G3. Takes. Knight takes. King takes because of this square. And then we're going to get here. We might not be able to get in, though. Dude, rook takes e6 is his best move. So I'm just up, just a full piece and pawns. 4, 6 to 2, 3 to 7. I'm up a bishop and a pawn and activity in that crazy line. Okay, now let's see where his defensive move was. Ratul. Okay, that's a mistake. It wanted rook g8 first. Let's just look at rook g8, king h1. Bishop f7 hits the knight and threatens this. So you got to go knight h2. And then queen takes. Queen f5 threatens stuff. We have some play. But white is still better, man. White is still better. Sack here. I play this move. He's better. That was a miss. Bishop g4. I looked at bishop g4. Where's the knight go? Takes on f6. We push. Knight g3. Queen g7. Okay, with ideas. And black is better here. Check. That wasn't the move. Knight comes back is best. e4 is a mistake. It wants queen e6. Get the queen back out of there. It was so bad to put it there. Push. Brings the rook. That's a blunder. He should have played de4, but I was going to play this. Now, I just want to get the knight to move so I can play my discovered check. Yeah, that's kind of the theme when you're lined up on that square and they play h3. That's why making left is good, but when you make left, it's called a hook. It's something to sack on. You know what I mean? Set up rook g1, knight g1. Yeah, but here, yeah, knight g1 was better. No, it says de4 was better actually. But like I said, de4, I was gonna take. Oh yeah, and then. And then rook e4 is his best move. Oh, he's going to take this. And what do we have? We're down a piece. and there's no attackers. The attack is petering out. Okay, so that wasn't best. I should have brought the queen out. That was best. Now I'm winning. I got... Well, maybe... Well, I mean, the computer likes it. Queen h4 is best. I wanted to play it so bad, guys. What should he have done here? His best move is queen f3. Only way to stop the mate. Only way to stop the mate. And then we bring a rook. Queen takes. This rook comes. Yep, rook bf1. Queen e3, pinning, threatening, and black is just totally winning. So this, I'm glad that was the best move though, because that's the move I was playing for. Good game, Ratul. Yeah. Oh, by the way, that's bishop moves backwards, takes queen, checkmate. What should he have done here? Rook g2 is his best move. Because I'm looking at this square to checkmate, but the knight's there. So I might have to rip it first. Takes. Takes. Check. That's a miss. Oh, he's on my queen. So we got to keep this alive, number Johnny 5. That's so crazy. I can't even take that rook. So in the game, yeah. We already saw the end. Boy, what a fun game, man. What a fun game. Guys, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I'm a human being and need to eat food. Biggest stream of the week, folks. If you guys like what you see, hit the like on the way out. Hit the sub button on YouTube. Hit the subscribe. It's follow on Twitch. And follow on Facebook. Hit the buttons. Hit the like buttons too, guys. I'll like a heart. If you see a heart, might want to click on it. Guys, you can use your Amazon Prime account. You can link it to your Twitch very easily. And you can sub on Twitch for free. Once a month. It's free. It's amazing. Yeah, for the whole month, you get access to the chess workshops, everything. Or you could sub. You get the member button on YouTube. And you could hit the subscribe button, supporter button on Facebook. I am freaking starving. One more time, Eric Haddon, thank you for the 200. Jason Roberts became a follower. Thank you so much, Jason Roberts, for joining up. Eric Haddon with the 200 stars. Dave Joyce with the 200. Rich Castro with 3,000 Facebook Gaming stars. God love it, folks. Adam Engel with the 50 stars. Kenneth Matthew Borders with the 20 stars. Ben Hallberg gifted a Facebook Gaming sub. I love you guys. I'll be back for Elden Ring After Dark. I gotta eat. Or it's probably gonna be, what do you call it? Dark Souls After Dark. Dark Souls 3, guys. We're doing a playthrough. I love you guys. I will catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, wait. Is there how many people got chilling on Twitch right now? We got 5 viewers, man. Let me look real quick and see if I can't send a Twitch on a raid, folks. I guess I can look for Facebook too. YouTube, I'm going to let you go first. YouTube, you know I love you. YouTube knows I love them.